This is a video solution for Practice Exercise 3. In Practice Exercise 3, we want to first start by uploading the file C03-W1-PE-03. Once uploaded, go ahead and open the file. Expand the Sketches folder, right-click, and edit Sketch 1. Sketch 1 contains a 2 mm offset dimension. We want to double-click this, and we're going to set this equal to a parameter called Sketch Offset. Start typing the letter S, and Sketch Offset user parameter will appear below. Select it and hit Enter on the keyboard. It's now linked, denoted by FX, to a user parameter. Next, we want to modify that user parameter. Under the Modify dialog, select Change Parameters, double-click in the Expression box, and set this to 4 mm. Select OK, and notice that FX is now set to 4 mm. Stop the sketch and save your file.